Hello again. I am your host, Sci-Fi Wonder. This is gonna be a short video because I was meant to do it and I forgot to do it, but now I'm doing it. Of how to create a character. As you can see, there's my ship again. But back then, I was like this guy, and yeah, that's my original name back then. This was my original ship. Yeah, this is what your character will look like when you get out there or something like that. That's me. This is what I look like now. Yeah. But right now we're doing a video of how to make a character, and this is how. You click this button. Now you have the choice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters, 6 empire. Yeah, factions. 2 of them, 3 of them are of which are Star Trek or Starfleet. One of them is Dominion, one's Romulan, one's Klingon. Basically, each one has their roles of how to make one. So let's pick Klingon. Click next. There's it. And you have a choice of different species. Same thing for each one, but there are more species per group. Per whatever you pick, there's more. Yeah, and there's Romulan and Alien. But TOS, I think that's just, yeah, it's the species that founded the Federation. And then Discovery, I believe, is, yeah, just the 2 human and Vulcan and alien species. And then the Klingons, basically this is how you create your character. You pick faction, you press this next button. You pick your species, you press the next button. You pick your Starfleet, wherever you are, and then but I'm not going to make a new character right now because I already showed you the tutorial and everything in my first video of Starfleet Federation. If you please look at it, you'll see the tutorial and the first mission you start as in the game. And, well, this is my short tutorial. Actually, no, wait. Yeah, you click next again. I believe you go to, here it is. Yes, basically the head shape and all that. You can click your gender, male or female, and then your Starfleet uniform, and your body, stern, whatever, your head, presets. You press the next button again, and then you click in your name, your former name, what you want to go by, your captain name, and your ship name. And you press engage, and well, there you have it. That's how you do it. This is a short video. Until then, see y'all guys later.